Okay, ek het hom as prins so gesit want julle het dit al gedoen, maar ek dink julle het dit dalk lanklaas gedoen. Do you guys agree that is an exponential graph? Yes? Okay. But the actual equation for this one looks like this. That's grade 11 work. You have to know that 3 to the power of negative x, you should write as a third to the power of x. Hoekom is dit belangrik dat jy hom so gaan skryf? Because that gives you the key to what the shape of this graph looks like. Nee, want as daai getal tussen 0 en 1 lê, dan is hy 'n dalende grafiek. Nee, maar soos hy daar lyk dit asof daai getal groter is as 1. Doesn't it look like 3 is bigger than 1? Yes? Bashira, you were shaking your head. That's why I'm asking. You what? Oh, you lost to where I got that. Oh, gotcha. Sorry. Okay. Goed, so dis belangrik vir jou om dit te sien want dit gee vir jou die vorm van die grafiek. You all understand that? Good. Now let's get 3 points again. Jy kan enige 3 punte kry. Ek gaan stel altyd -1, 0 en 1 in. Okay, they're not always going to ask you for 3 points, but for the sake of this exercise, for you guys to see the shape and what happens, I'm going to do 3 points. So as ek -1 daar gaan instel, dan gaan dit wees -1 en 3. You can take your time with this. If I substitute 0 in there, then it's going to be 0 and 1. And if I substitute 1 in there, then it's going to be 1 and a third. Okay, en ek gaan duile net gou hier aan. Okay. Let's quickly just look at those other questions. What would the domain of this one be? Alle eksponensiële grafieke sin lyk so. Wat gaan sy waardeversameling wees? Still bigger than 0 even though it is an ascending graph. It will only be smaller than 0 if it does this. Nee? So as hier vooraan 'n minus is. Okay. Now I want you guys to quickly do that. Find me the equation of the inverse function. For exponential graph, yes. So it's either above the asymptote or below the asymptote. But remember, when we are doing, I almost want to say normal exponential graphs, then they can be moved up or down. So then it's going to be smaller than q or bigger than q. Yeah, yes. We're not going to ask you the inverse function of an exponential graph that's been moved up or down. Okay. For tomorrow,